In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add social media icons to your Weebly website. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com. Then sign in to your Weebly account. From your dashboard, select the website you want to edit and click Edit Site. Once you're in the website editor, make sure you're on the Build tab. In the left panel, scroll through the available elements until you find social icons. Drag the social icons element onto your page where you want it to appear, such as in the header, footer, or sidebar. Click the social icons element, then select Manage Icons. From there, choose the social media platforms you want to display, such as Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, YouTube, or Pinterest. For each platform, paste the URL to your social media profile. You can also remove any icons you don't need and rearrange their order if desired. Preview your page to make sure the icons appear correctly and that each one opens the correct profile when clicked. When you're happy with the setup, click Publish to save your changes and update your live website. That's how to add social media icons to your Weebly website. Thanks for watching.